Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fully responsive section in Elementor. Whether you're designing for desktop, tablet, or mobile, I'll walk you through the steps to ensure your layout looks great on any screen. So, if you're ready to make your website more user-friendly and professional, stick around, and let's dive in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and select and edit a chosen page. Click the Edit with Elementor button to proceed. We now have a blank page here. And to add elements, we must first add containers to the page. Click on this plus icon button. Choose your layout, but here I am choosing the Flexbox layout. Select or click a structure for your section. And here I am choosing the fourth structure. Now, we have a new section with 2 containers, and the next step is to add elements to the containers. In the top left of the Elementor editor, click the plus icon button to view the list of available elements to choose from. You can scroll down, or you can just type the elements you want if available. I'm typing here the image element. Click and drag the image element inside the first container. Now, we must add elements too on the second container in the same steps. Click the plus icon on the top left of the Elementor editor to display the available elements. Type heading, click, and drag, and drop the element to the second container. Click the Add Element icon again and search for a text editor element. Click drag and drop the text editor element below the heading element. Click the Add Element icon again and search for button element. Click, drag, and drop the button element below the text editor element. Now, click the image element and add an image. You can choose any available image in your library, or you can just upload a new image if you want. Here, I'm choosing this existing image in my library, a happy cat. Click the image and click the select button to proceed. Now that the image is added, we must adjust the spacing and padding of the section to make it more visually appealing. Click the second container, and under the Layout tab, scroll down and find the Items option to change the position of the elements inside the container. Here, I put the elements inside the container at the center. Under the Advanced tab of the container, adjust the padding by adding a value. And here, I'm adding 40 pixels on every side of the container. By the way, margins and paddings are 2 different methods of controlling spacing. The margins are use space outside the element, and the paddings are use space inside the element, as I did earlier. Select the first container, adjust the item's layout, and make it in the center, like what I did on the second container. Preview the page by clicking this small gray arrow on the left side of the editor page. Now that the desktop version of the section is set, we will update the tablet and mobile versions of the page. Notice these desktop, tablet, and mobile icons above. This allows you to adjust settings for different screen sizes, ensuring a fully responsive design. To update the tab and mobile version of your page, click the gray icon arrow on the left side again to enable the editor, and click the tablet icon above. Clicking the tab icon lets you adjust settings specifically for tablet view. Here, you can adjust the tablet container layout, and style by adjusting padding specifically for tablet view. Now click on the mobile icon. This icon allows you to customize styles for mobile screens separately. You can change the layout and styles specifically for the mobile version only. Let's change this heading style alignment and make it center. Let's change the text editor style alignment too and make it center. The same goes for the button and changing the position to center. Now, go back to the default desktop view by clicking the desktop icon above and preview the page. As you can see here, the page is working properly on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. Now, here is the question. Are you wondering if you can change the image for mobile view? The answer is yes. We can change the current cat image to a different image. First, enable the editor, then click the desktop view. Add another image element to the first container. Select an image you like, and here I will be choosing this bulb design. As you can see, when we preview the page, if we click the tab and mobile icons, the images are all visible. And what we gonna do is to hide the image specifically on that screen. To do that, enable the Elementor editor and click the second image to view the styling option. Click on the Advanced tab of the image element. Scroll down and look for the responsive option. The responsive option allows you to control the visibility and behavior of elements on different devices. It helps create a seamless user experience across desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. Try to enable the hide on desktop and preview the page. As you can see, the second image disappears from the desktop view after I enable the hide on desktop option. But the second image appears when we click the tablet view icon. Let's hide the second image on the tablet too, so that the second image will only appear in mobile view. Click on hide on tablet portrait and preview the page. As you can see, the second image disappears from the desktop and table view. On the mobile screen, the second image appears, but the first image is also displayed. To remove the first image, we must hide the first image on mobile screens using the same process as we did on the second image. Go back to the editor and click the first image to display its styling option on the left side. Click the mobile view icon, select the Advanced tab, and look for the responsive option. Click on hide on mobile portrait and preview the page. All is good, and the image for mobile has been changed. You can now update the page. Just go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Publish. Once the update is done, you can now test your page. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Publish button, and click the View Page. To test if your page is working properly, you can use your mobile phone, or if you don't have your phone right now, you can test the page by right-clicking the page, and then selecting the Inspect Element option. Click the Toggle Device toolbar on the top left corner of the Inspect Element. As you can see, the page layout is changed to mobile view as my default. For a better view, you can click these three vertical dots in the top right corner of the Inspect Element, then click Unlock into separate windows. This will separate the Inspect Element from your page for a better view. Minimize Inspect Element window. Here, you can change and check the page layout on desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile view by clicking the different size horizontal bars above the page. Or you can just click and drag the right side of the page to adjust and check the responsive layout. All good. Let's close the Inspect Element and view the desktop version of your page. Simple, right? Try it now and make your site accessible on all devices. Good luck. Thank you for watching.